demonstration on the Visualizer Econo unit. Very compact unit that works with software which you can download directly from our Parrot website. What's nice, because it's digital, you can annotate directly on the screen and you can email it and you can save it or do a recording directly from there. So we're going to just illustrate the apple at this stage, what we're going to annotate on to show you how it works. So from here you can directly annotate on the screen and you can save the image. It comes with autofocus and you can zoom it in and out with the flexible arms, what I'm just illustrating now. And yeah, the only thing that you need is your laptop and a USB cable or any computer, and it plugs in the rear. It has 3 different light settings, your different brightnesses, what I will illustrate now, and I'm clicking on the button.